Market, we had two listings. One of them was Emcure, a very strong listing, over 30% premium to its issue price, was well bid as well. Ekta joins in to tell us more details about the company and the post-listing life. Ekta.
Well, yes, the signs of a good listing were already there because the subscription was strong. It was at around a total of 67.87 times, NII 48.3 times, QIB 195 times. And the company raised 582 crores from 48 anchor investors as well. Now, the IPO comprised of around 800 crores of an OFS and around, or rather a fresh issue, an OFS of around 1151 crores. Now, what they will be doing is they will be looking to reduce 600 crores of debt from the IPO proceeds, which is a positive. So the debt will come down to around 900 crores versus 1500 crores. They get 48% of their sales from India, 52% from the international markets, have around 13 manufacturing facilities. The margins were a bit of a sore point. It was at around 19% for FY24 versus 20% on a year-on-year basis and versus 23% in FY22. The last 18 to 24 months, the company has said, was impacted because there were around 1,000 medical reps which they hired, and that really impacted the margins. Now, if you look at the margins as compared to its peers, Aurobindo is a close second to is close enough to them. But if you compare them to Dr. Reddy's, Cipla's, Sun, they've all done better when it comes to margins. FY24 trailing PE, again, Emcure seems to be more expensive at this point in time. Closest peers at around 40 times. Now, the company says that there is a second wave of capex, which is around 1,200 crores, and there will be 4 facilities which will be getting commissioned, which will probably aid margins. Another key point to watch out for is that Sanofi and Emcure tied up for cardiac drugs, partnership of distribution of cardiac drugs of Sanofi in India. So whether or not that will be a big kicker in terms of revenues for the domestic business is something that the street will see. Chronic drugs, important part of their business, around 45% of their sales. Chronic drugs are for, conditions which you constantly need the same drug. And they are quite bullish on that segment, and they expect margins to be positive there as well.
All right, so that's about Emcure. What we'll do is we'll actually take a short break, and on the other side,